A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means gain. C for cat, cat means Billy. D for dog, dog means Kutta. E for elephant, elephant means Hathi. F for fish, fish means Machali. G for grapes, grapes means Angur. H for hand, hand means Muragi. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for jag, jag means jag. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means शेर. M for monkey, monkey means बंदर. N for nest, nest means घोंसला. O for orange, orange means संतरा. P for peacock, peacock means मोर. Q for queen, queen means रानी. R for rose, rose means गुलाब. S for sun, sun means सूरज. T for tiger, tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता. V for van, van means गाड़ी. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak, yak means जंगली सांड. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाइए।